3 years later, since really the birth of HVAKR, it is my privilege to debut HVAKR AI. And this is the first and only AI workflow designed specifically for HVAC engineering. When you think of AI, you may be thinking of LLMs like ChatGPT, and that is not what this is. Since the introduction of AI agents, we now have the technology to train agents to do very specific tasks with very specific parameters. Countless other industries are adopting this technology, and the gains are massive. So HVAKR is bringing this technology into our industry by training a string of agents to do the most time-consuming aspects of HVAC engineering. So now, let me show you. To launch a project in HVAKR AI, just attach some floor plans and enter a prompt. You can provide detail in the prompt, but simple is just fine because it's going to look at the plans to gather the relevant information that it needs, like the project name, address, and more, which we'll see next. After the project is set up in HVAKR, it further analyzes each sheet, capturing sheet numbers, scale, and even which sheets contain the floor plans you need for each level. It then places those floor plans on the appropriate level and starts detecting spaces. So what we're seeing here is automatically generating the space geometries for all of the spaces in the building and assigning accurate space types to those spaces based on their names. So to review just a couple, here it's assigned the AHR 62.1 space types for offices and break rooms, and in doing so, it is bringing in the interior design requirements for those spaces. But this is not just capturing interior requirements, it's also capturing the envelope. It's identifying exterior walls and window placements, and even assigning envelope types based on any construction notes or schedules it can find in the plans. And if it can't find envelope details from the plans, it will apply code minimum envelope types based on the project climate zone, which is known from the project address. And loads are done. So here's the load report. We have a block load. Space by space loads are available as well, ready to review and ready to print. And at this point, I should mention that throughout this entire process, the only action required by the user was attaching those plans and providing that initial prompt. So I actually had to go back to the spaces step and the envelope step just so I could demonstrate what HVAKR AI was doing with those plans and that prompt. Here's the beauty of it. These agents, they're just following the same steps and the same procedures that you would do if you were to model this project manually in HVAKR. And they're trained to follow industry standards when determining design requirements. So for the space types, for instance, it's not searching the web to find various requirements. It's looking specifically for AHR tables built into HVAKR or any other templates that the user has set up for their organization to bring in the right inputs. From there, it uses HVAKR's code-compliant load calculation engine trusted by contractors and MEP firms across the US and beyond. And then best of all, I think, is nothing is hidden. So everything is upfront, very easy to see, every input made through automation. Once you reach a substantial level of completion through automation, you still have the same intuitive interface to review and fine-tune your model and your inputs. Master your time. Let us do the busy work. Send more bids with better numbers to back them. Win more work. Do not burn engineering hours on mundane tasks. Use your time to deliver the best service possible for your clients. If you're interested in deploying HVAKR AI at your company, or if you're interested in partnering with us, you can email me, davis@hvakr.com, or you can book a meeting directly and we can talk more using this QR code. Now would be an awesome time to take a picture if you are interested. Thank you for your time. I'm gonna hang out up here. I told you I would keep it short, and save plenty of time for questions. So I'll hang out here for the remainder of the presentation and chat it out. Please come talk to me. Thank you.